everybody, from Super Easy Math. Today's Einstein activity says a bedroom is being designed using a floor plan. What is the area of the actual room? Well, the first thing we want to take a look at is our scale. It tells us that 1 inch in the picture equals 2 feet in real life. So I can see that over here on our left, we have 4 inches. Well, I'm going to double the number. And so instead of 4, we're going to be dealing with 8. And instead of inches, we're going to be dealing with feet. So this length should be 8 feet. As far as my top length, I'm going to double the number. I'm going to get 12. And then I'm going to remember that that needs to be in feet instead of inches. So this top number is 12 feet. Now I'm going to go back to my problem and see what it's asking for. It says, what is the area of the actual room? Not the area of the floor plan drawing, but the actual room. We're going to remember the formula length times width. And that means we're going to say 12 times 8. And that would be 96 feet squared. Guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, here's tomorrow's Einstein activity. See if you can solve it before I do, then comment down below with what you think the answer is. Then head over to supereasymath.com and click on math videos. Once you're there, you can have access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.